Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor, a chef, author and a culinary consultant. I'm going to be making trio of pulav, steam pulav, 3 types of pulav. Start with the carrot pulav, for which I'm going to pour some ghee. The ghee is melted and hot. I'll put in some mustard seeds, cumin seeds. The seeds are spluttering, some sliced onions, green chilies, finely grated carrot, salt, a little bit of turmeric powder. The carrots are sauteed. We add in some cooked rice and mix it well together. Carrot rice is done. Nice orange saffron color. Now I'll go to the next one, the plain white pulav. For the white masala pulav, again I'm going to melt some ghee. Pulav has to have ghee. As the ghee gets heated, I'll add cumin seeds, star anise, bay leaf, cinnamon, green cardamom, cloves. Cumin seeds are spluttering. Now I'll add ginger and garlic. Ginger, garlic, sliced onions, green chilies, cooked rice, salt. Mix it all well. The white masala pulav is done. Now let's go to the third one, the green spinach rice. The third one, spinach pulav, ghee, garlic and ginger, sliced onions, some chopped green chilies, green peas which I've boiled before, finely chopped spinach. As the spinach gets wilted, it's so finely chopped that it's wilted very fast. I'll add in the cooked rice. Our spinach rice is done, nice and bright green. Now I'm going to plate all 3 rice and show you how beautiful they look. Here you go, our trio of pulavs is ready. We've got a carrot, orange color rice, we've got a white masala rice, and we've got a green spinach rice. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. I'll be back with some more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.